Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a mommy feeding her baby. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw the mom. I start with her face and her 2 ears. I draw her eyes. Her nose and her smiling mouth. Then I draw her earrings and her nice hair. Now I draw her body like this. In this hand, she holds a spoon with some puree. Then I draw a bowl of vegetables puree here, like this. Now I draw a horizontal line like this. This is going to be the table. Now let's draw the baby. I draw his head with his 2 ears. Then I draw his eyes and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his little hair like this. Now let's continue with his body. I draw his arms like this. He looks excited. Finally, I draw his bib. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I'm going to color Mommy. I use cream for her skin. Then light red for her mouth. I color her hair with brown. Her earrings are going to be yellow. For her dress, I use red. Then I colored the spoon with gray. I use aquamarine for the bowl. The puree is going to be green, like broccoli. Delicious! Now let's color the baby. I use cream for his skin. Then I color his clothes green. For his bib, I use blue. Finally, I color the table with light purple. And add a little purple in the background. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.